Okay, so you've arrived on the raw input screen and you'd like to know how to get out of it. Raw input screen is one of the factory test screens that we use in all of our radios to make sure that things are working correctly at a hardware level after assembly. To get through this test, you must go through every input. As each switch is moved, each of the digital inputs is moved, you'll see the letter assigned to it disappear on the front. You'll also see in the top area of the display that the position of the switches is available to understand exactly and make sure that the hardware is working. So as I switch each one, you'll see it change state there, and then you'll notice down here that the letter has disappeared, letter A. Look at the B. I'm going to move switch B, change 1, 2, B disappears. Same for C. We go through all the switches this way. Switch I is the pop button. Move over to the right side. E, F, G, H. The LT is the left trimmer at the top. Move it down and up. It disappears. Left LV is the left vertical trimmer. That's your throttle or elevator. To the horizontal, over to the right side. Press the clear button. Back. Move the roller. The roller also adjusts contrast on this screen. We can use it to make the screen dark or light, whatever happens to suit our tastes. We click it, and when we do, it moves to the next screen. This is the Vibe and Trainer screen. You can hear my Vibe motor works, so I say it's okay. Now Trainer, you hook up the Trainer cable into the back, and I connect it over to my other handy radio here. It needs to be a radio that has a wired Trainer output. When I do this, it comes on and shows me the values here. Now as I move the stick on my Trainer radio, you can see things happen. That gives me the option to select next down here. So I say next, okay. This screen shows that all pixels on the display can be turned on or to the dark state. To get past it, I need to push the rudder trim and the aileron trim to the left at the same time. The next screen shows they're all off. Push that, and now I'm on the calibrate screen. Calibration needs to be done by moving the sticks in a plus type shape. So I'm going to move the stick, the top to bottom, and when it's in the middle, I'm going to move it left to right. You do not go into the corners here, 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 or here. Going into the corners will cause the loss of it'll extend the travel a little bit, and you'll never see the 0 or the 100% the way you should. Now repeat the same for the right stick. Notice that I'm not pushing it hard. I'm doing this gentle. I'd move both of the sliders, the right slider, and then return to center. The left slider, my fingers can find it over here. There we go. Return to center. The knob on the top. Return to center. And then select save. Now when I do this, it's going to give me a warning for throttle high because there's a warning configured in the model. So I click save, throttle high, lower the throttle stick, and we're up and running. That's how you do this test.